Oh yeah, we making it happen. We making it happen. Gotta clean it up, you know, it's been sitting. But we're getting there. It's in the frame. Finally. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get all new hardware for it. Just got a couple bolts in there to hang, you know, to hang it in there. Just for now. Of course, on there, you know. Yada yada. We're getting there. We are getting there. Anybody got any advice on getting this steering column apart? I've, you know, about to beat the hell out, beat the heck out of it. Nothing's happening, so I quit. And oh yeah, that's a problem. It's coming soon though.